Mari Sanchez, what color are the skateboards? What color? Everybody, what color?
They are blue.
How many skateboards are there? Okay. How many bananas? You see? Okay. How many monsters are there? How many monsters? How many balloons? They are seven. Okay, now what are you doing, girls? What are you doing? Playing. Yes, playing. Okay. Take one card. Take one card. Give me the card. Okay, look at. What color are the sandals? What color are the sandals? Yellow, that's okay. How many sandals can you see? How many sandals? 12 sandals. Okay, good. Give me another. Okay. Okay, look up, look up. What are they? What are they? What are they? What are they?
Skates.
Skates, okay. How many skates can you see?
11.
11. Okay, what color are the skates?
Sky blue.
Sky blue, they are sky blue, that's okay. Okay, give me another, give me another. Okay, that's okay. Monks. Okay, what are they? What are they? Monster, that's okay. What color are the monsters? How many monsters can you see? How many monsters?
8.
They are 8. That's okay, they are 8. Okay, give me another. Give me one more, one more. Okay, what is it? Okay, how many balls are here? How many balls?
7.
They are 7 balls. What color are the balls? What color?